Hey guys, all right, this is our seat work, one of our seat work pages for today. It is Letters and Sounds, page 19 and 20. All right, so on this first part, I'm going to move my face. It says color just the boxes with the vowels in them to find out where Ruff lives. All right, so remember our vowels are A, E, I, O. Whoop, let me erase that. It's silly. Right? O, and then U. I, I, ah, uh. All right. So, you are going to do that. I'm going to let you treasure hunt for the vowels. Okay. So I'm going to let you do that on your own time, but I want you to flip over on the back. So we're going to do this part together. Number 1 says match each picture to the letter that starts at the beginning. All right. So this first picture is a picture of a light. Light. Which sound do you hear at the beginning of the word light? Do you hear the l sound or the t at the beginning? The first sound you hear. L. All right. Next, I have a glass of milk. Milk. So let's look. We have the b and the sound. Which one do you hear at the beginning of milk? Good, the sound. All right, next we have a picture of a tent. Tent. All right, what do we hear at the beginning? Do we hear the b sound or the t sound? Good. Circle the t sound. Next we have a picture of a boat. Boat. So here we have the O sound or the b. Which one do we hear at the beginning of boat? Good, this one. Next we have a picture of a nickel. 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 All right. So here we have the letter that says, and here we have the letter that says Which one do we hear at the beginning of nickel? Right, this one. All right, the next one that we see is a hammer. Hammer. All right, so here we have the letter that says then we have the letter that says hammer. Which one says this one or this one? Good. All right, next we have number 2 says circle the vowels you hear in these words. All right, so the first picture is a picture of a cat. Ready? K-a-t. Cat. Which vowel sound do we hear? Ready? K-a-t. Cat. In the middle, we heard the ah sound. Good. The next one's a picture of a frog. 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 Which letter says ah? Right, this one. Good. Next, we have a picture of a hen. Hen. Which letter says eh? We got to be careful here. Eh? Good, the top one. Remember, that was tricky because we had the letter E and the letter I both as an option. But I says eh, and E says eh, eh, eh. All right, so here we have a picture of a duck. K, duck. All right, which letter says d, Which letter says Good. All right, the letter U. Next, we have a picture of a bunny. Knee. Bunny. Which letter says Right, the letter U. Good job. All right, friends, see you later.